Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a fun, new, quirky design. It's an invitation called the decoder invitation. Okay, so basically what you'll need is 2 pieces of hard cardboard paper, preferably white. Then you will print what you want it to say in light blue on a normal printer. So basically what you will need is 2 pieces of white cardboard paper, preferably considering it's cardboard, paper that can print through the printer. What you will need to do is print whatever you desire on your invitation in light blue. Then you will go to the Martha Stewart website and download the red print. What you will then do is obviously insert this into the printer and print what you have printed in light blue onto the Martha Stewart print. It's very cool and quirky, the next step, because what you will need is red cello paper, which you can buy at basically any crazy store. And the cool thing about this is, when you put it over the Martha Stewart print, considering the blueprint is underneath, you can actually decode the wedding invitation and everything that you can, all the information that you can see, which I think is really cool. And it sort of surprises your guests that are receiving this. And yeah, it's just it's a fun, cool, quirky, new way to invite people to your wedding. Okay, so basically your end result will be this fun, quirky invitation. Obviously you'll cut the Martha print out, take it out, and then a cool idea is to make it a little magnifying glass. And then what your guests can do is obviously just decode the message.